This is what we did this year. We've sent a total of 14 machines to places all over the world. To places such as Procter & Gamble, Pulau Tioman, Meet Our Staff, Pavey, Iman, and Michael, Gil, Muzzer, and Ruzzer. We've sold over 1,500 coasters, over 1,000 turtles, 4,000 Body Shop fragrances, and over 300 various plant pots, and over 150 earring sets. And we've also used the plastic to make bricks and concrete slabs by mixing it. 170 school kid backpacks, recycled sail backpacks, and over 50 kites backpacks. We've raised enough funds to remove around 4 tons of ghost nets and fishing rope, and taught over 1,000 kids at plastic workshops. Attended over 30 events. Wow, how do we get so much time to do that? Just a small sample of all the brands that we've worked for.